Bird and Kip. Episode 34. Bird's Stamp Collection. Bird was in her nest. She was looking at something.
What are you doing, Bird?
Asked Kip.
I'm looking at my stamp collection.
Said Bird.
I didn't know you like stamps.
Said Kip.
Yes, I like stamps a lot.
Said Bird.
Some of these are pretty dusty.
Said Bird.
I haven't looked at them in a while. They have nice colors.
Said Kip.
And they have neat pictures. Cool! An airplane!
Said Kip.
Here's one with the moon.
Said Bird.
I like these turtles.
Said Kip.
Hey, look! I see a chipmunk. This stamp is my favorite.
Said Bird.
It has a bird. Doesn't it look just like me? Yes, Bird.
Said Kip.
That bird does look like... Achoo!